my loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I basically save money at home. Okay, I'm going to show you how I wax my underarms at home myself. Kind of save money, but if you have it, I will say go get you some, let somebody make some money. It's not a big deal. But if you do not have it like this, you will buy this kit at Amazon. It's like 20 bucks and you will get more than 100 wax out of it. I will say less than 100, but you know what I mean. So it will save you a lot of money if you have time, or if you prefer, like I said, go get somebody to do it for you. Okay. I regret my decision every time. This is, where I start to think about my life decision and everything. It's not gonna be good. I can feel it. Fuck. Shit! This is on camera, man. Oh, God. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Fuck. I guess 4. 1, 2. Nope. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think I put too much. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Fuck! Okay, this is. What the fuck was that, Lord? I don't even know. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. Fuck. Okay, no, I'm not putting that much after that. Never again. Are you fucking killing me? Not all of them. But wait, this thing is not disgusting, right? So disgusting. Absolutely. I think that's my favorite part though. Like literally. There's disgusting. Still a lot left. So like I said, we're doing small pieces. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Good job. So it can be pretty much clean, very clean. Racket on is clean. Oh my god, what the fuck I'm doing? Why I'm touching this? Just don't touch it. Okay. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, this video was a learning experience in a way too. Even if that was my 5th time waxing my own self, I can never get it right, and that's why this is not like a tutorial video like how to do it, because you're gonna find your like the only step that I will say you should take from this video is that please follow the direction on the backs of the wax kit when you get it, and use the before and after product so you do not get no bumps. But when it's come to the waxing part, you'll find your way you will find yourself doing it different type of ways. I'm not sure why, but this is what always happened to me. Now also doing it small pot, it's a better option, mostly if you have a lot of hair. But if you choose to do it like you see that I did it in the first, it's a bad idea. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, so I'm done with it. Like you can see, it looked nice. I'm going to do the second one before I use the after this, the after wax step. I want to use it both at the same time. So this is how it looks now. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay, like it turned out great compared to this one right now. Just in case someone missed the before. This is the before. I'm gonna try to get as close as possible I can. This is the before. Yeah, I'm trying to show you as close as possible. So this is the before and this is the after. Okay, we're done. All right, we're done, but still messy. So I'm gonna use the after wax. Oh my god, my lip is so dry. So I'm gonna use the after wax solution. Now I think I used the after wax for pre-wax. Lord, I hope I did not do it, but I don't know what happened. Anyway, so I'm just gonna use the after wax. I don't think so. I think I used the pre-wax. It also helps to remove any type of residue of the wax, you know, any type of leftover wax. So that's why I like the pre-wax. The after wax. Now you can always use, I think baby oil does the same thing. I'm not a big fan of it, baby oil, so that's why I prefer this one. So well, also it's always best to shower before you do this. Always. I should have showered first, but I didn't want to mess up my makeup. I'm still gonna shower after, but I'm not supposed to. I don't know how I'll deal with this later, but I think I really want to shower. So okay, so this is the end result. Like you can see, it's pretty cute. Not bad, not bad. And the more I do it, the less pain. Okay, so get yourself. This video is completely, absolutely. This video is not sponsored at all. This is really what I use. This is really what I do. I bought everything with my own money. I'm just gonna say that. But I just saved 30 bucks because this cost me 20 bucks. And so far, I use it like 10 times already. But if I want to get a wax, I'm just paying 30 bucks every time I go. So you do the math, sis. You do the math, okay? You can just do it yourself. Okay. Alright, I'm out. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, okay. Guys, for watching this video. Like always, I love you guys so damn much. Hopefully you guys learned something from it. Try the product if you want. You don't have to get this brand. You can always get any type of brand. Like I said, it's not a sponsored video. You know, like, but that's the one I use. That's the one I like so far. I never tried any other one. Maybe in the future, because I'm gonna need some more wax. But so far, that's the only brand I've been using. Feel me? So I will say, give it a try. You know, see if you like it. you know what I mean? Or if you have another brand you love, please comment below, let me know, because I would love to see it. I would love to try it. Okay, so yes, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Okay.